Hey everyone, today I'm going to show how to configure Apache Maven in Mac. Apache Maven is a build tool which you can use to build your application. And before that, please subscribe my channel and let me know if you have any comment on the videos comment section. Okay, let's open a terminal and look for Maven space minus version. You can see that the Maven is not found, which means that I don't have Maven installed on my machine. What I'm going to do is go to mavenapache.org website and you can click on download. You can look at my mouse, download. I'm going to click on that, Apache Maven 3.6.2. So that's the version we are going to use on this demo. It's downloading it. Once it's downloaded, you can open that, extract that folder. Normally I copy, I keep everything on my own project folder, a specific folder called apps, and so long back I had a 3.3.9 and then now we are using 3.6.2. so what you have to do is you have to open your bash profile, and if you see that I already have that is commented, that was my old version which was 3.3.9. I'm going to uncomment that and change the path to 3.6.2. You'll see that users Bindamodaran project apps Apache Maven 3.6.2, that line, and you need to add one more line which is export m2 home bin. So that save it. Okay. Oh, I forgot to log in as a sudo, so I'm going to exit and do this one more time. I'm going to open this as a sudo space vi, the same command, enter my machine password, open this, uncomment it, and change the versions to 3.6.2. If you are doing this the first time, you won't be having this line. You need to add this line, both of these two lines on your bash profile. So look at the path. Apps 3.6.2 and then m2 export m2 is m2 home/bin, which is that all the path with the bin folder on it. So I saved it. Saving is wq, and then I open it to Maven minus version, and I'll see the 3.6.2 is up there. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.